Hello everyone. Today I wish to share with you some knowledge about old-school graphic effects such as plasma, which you can see right now on the screen. Those effects are commonly used on demo scene and in demos and intros since the 80s when this effect was invented. The whole principle of this algorithm is based on sine and cosine functions, and right now I'm going to explain what exactly are those functions. As you can see now, there is sine function on the screen. As you can see, the slope slowly progresses to the -1 and then increases back to 1, and it goes on and on. As you can see here, when we've got values x on x-axis here, the values change of the sine changes here very slowly, then it progresses, increases the change, and here is the maximum increase of the sine function, and it goes back to the very slow increase, which is called non-linear function, because the addition of the next points is not linear, which means that the increase is not the constant value. For example, when we have here we've got -1, -0.995 and so on, and here the changes are more rapid and more progressive. So the sine function is used commonly in graphics because it allows to create smooth shapes like circles and so on. Here you can see the circles that are created from sine function, which is here is x value of the pixel and cosine value, which is y value of the pixel. We've got simply this, and as you can see, the sine is multiplied by size, and here the size varies from 0 to 25, and it's multiplied by 5, so there are gaps between the circles. So as you can see, we can achieve a circle just by iterating through the sine and cosine functions. Sine is basically the same as cosine, but it has phase changed by 90 degrees. One more thing, here you can see the circle value multiplied by degree. As you can see here, we've got degrees, circle value variable in degrees, but usually computer math operates in radians, not the degrees. So in order to change radians to degrees, we have to multiply the degree by this value, which is pi divided by 180. So let's go back to the plasma. As you can see, the plasma is very It's very effective graphic animation, and it's really impressive. And all it does is iterating from through different values of sine and cosine functions. Here, as you can see, the main portion of code is responsible for the color of the pixel, and here, as you can see, all it does is to add value of sine of the variable multiplied by 128, then add cosine of the second variable multiplied by 64, and then sine of the third variable multiplied by 32. And all the code, all the algorithm just changes the value of those three variables. As you can see, it's very simple algorithm. The basic principle behind the plasma effect is that we change values in the horizontal line, and then we repeat it, but with slightly different values, initial values, for all the other vertical lines. As you can see here, there are vertical lines, vertical loop, which repeats 200 times, and here this is the horizontal loop, which draws horizontal line 320 values of horizontal line. In the vertical line, we adjust some variables that are used in the main loop, and in the main loop we as well are adding some values to the main program values that are used for sine and cosine calculations. And that's all, folks. The code I will provide this code that can be used in EvalDraw tool. I will provide it in the description below. I hope you like it, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. And that was all. Thank you very much and have a good day.